Me I go say this about Curly with the phone we dropped yesterday, and this is my honest opinion. This is when you feel like say you cannot do anything without going on live, and I could swear she have on, whether she have on panty or not, whether she did have on panty or not. But you know why I not feel like that or not? Because I remember say Curly same one couple of years ago, about 2 years ago, did open, lift up in clothes and show him pum pum for life. Now, when the big, me don't know. Me just, let me tell her something. Curly like the camera, and these are the things I tell her, and she feel like say me in her bad or nothing, and then me personally not gonna really take that as a big, it is just because I say it's just a bad moment. With our private part out, me definitely me not gonna put him, me not gonna share him, me not want to see it, and me not have too much to say on him. What all I have to say, these are the things when we tell Curly must feel like say I hate her, I wouldn't want she make no money for social media, but I wouldn't want, but it it kinda distasteful. You go your business you do, you go sell your sheet, you go pick them up from your storage, go and go do what you do. Do what you do. That's not really necessary. You maybe you want to show them, but you have to be more careful. Because see, then now is another thing this with your private part out, and it is just, but to be honest, because me could have swear me see a panty, and me not look up underneath nobody, because me no guy in a college, so I'm no lesbian, and me not really feel like say so. Me no know. We all have on-call for moments at the time when we never think there, so me not go really say. All we may have to tell her say, again, do not be disrespectful, because remember, you never know how life can turn. Remember, say, Past Sean Miller did help you. Nobody now say you for lick him foot, lick out him battle wall. Now nothing about don't not come out here and disrespect him, man. And leg off for the woman shirt. Leg off for the woman shirt now. Full time, on was friend, on go about to no ways. Hold on, I not reach this yet. You just itch up on the woman. Like a rhino for me, like a mama rhino. We have to deal with Sister Curly, we are pum pum or our panty. Sure. Pan live. It's just, it's just a little unfortunate moment. But Curly, the camera too much, Curly. Easy yourself, man, easy. And just let go off of the lady. Just ease yourself. No matter go on. When we all are going to talk about Miss D when Miss D does something. But Miss D, this is the thing. When me say, and I will forever say this. Me go say, if a charity. And Miss D now the charity now, and it is so disrespectful, distasteful for no say. Even what the lady named Natalie, and it too much. Them a friend, and it's too much. It is getting too much. It is getting too irritating. Just imagine every day somebody get up and just text it, because I call it text it, I don't call it blogging no more, and everything, and and then because the man buy like a ticket from her, and it is just too much. Now somebody brought to me attention, I'm gonna talk about Maxine here. I'm gonna tell us something, and because they said about Maxine, it when people come out and call people thief and scammer without knowing and having and to say what. Now, when a hurricane is gonna come, this is my opinion, and I'm not taking up for Maxine. When a hurricane or anything is gonna come, she could wait until the storm comes. So whosoever I go say Maxine a thief, because no, she can't wait. She have to beg gas money, she have to get her water, she have to prepare. When she gonna wait till when the storm come and when she get the money. So what I not understand? Why when people, because them don't like somebody in a time like this, into a time like this because I say Maxine might not be a favorite person. But what she got to wait till the hurricane come, then she beg money and then she forgot a gas station when gas station lock. Make that make sense. You just take up on the platform, turn on the phone and just talk shit. So she feel wait. How comes you go say the hurricane start and she a beg money? How comes? You sound very ridiculous and very bitter. This is a lady who have a girl child. So she have to ask. Actually, Maxine should ask. Maxine should have asked the gas money already. From she knows so the hurricane that come in at the week, she should have asked the gas money, full up her gas, make sure see her vehicle that they full up her gas. Regardless of what, there's a certain thing. That's why nobody pan here now go like me. I don't care who, as long as it's somebody, whether I like them or I like them not, whether it's something. This is a national crisis. This lady is diabetic, meaning that she have to go take her medicine from doctor, extra medicine, because after a disaster you never know what can happen. She have to have extra water, extra food. She have a granddaughter, maybe she have to get extra snacks and so on. This is why I say yesterday, Grace there, I don't care when nobody want to say. I will always respect that girl for one thing. One thing I will always respect Gracie for. I remember when the hurricane did that come, Gracie called me. And when I said to her, I said, she said to me, say, when rain a fall, picnic eat enough. And she send her money and me and her kick off and she never go out there. She called me hungry belly. She never talk about that. She called me hungry belly. And she never talk about it. Every time I saw me tell all people, say, that is why I never go down that road with her. I do not like, this is why Uno don't have to like me. And I don't care. It could be not even my favorite person. And that's why when time any couldn't pam when time I say Millie, no look up it enough to get cursing because this is a lady. Because and for whatever reason, yes, I only can go say no, say money I want for Maxine because me used to she collect money over there. But fuck Uno, for whatever reason, to come out and call her a thief and a scammer because she look money in a hurricane and I go say hurricane a KINGSTON. It is very bitter and very ridiculous of you. She have to prepare ahead. That lady have grandkids, especially a granddaughter. That lady is diabetic. So there's nothing wrong with her and she never asks you, she asks her supporters to help her with a little gas because she going to have to get a little extra things. She going to have to run maybe to the hardware to get one little piece of ply for nail down the window. She going to have to maybe take up. Maybe she going to have to say okay because you know we are going to keep the granddaughter with the little boy, the grandson then maybe can go by the aunt or so, or maybe she going to say okay we never know what she do. She not going to come out now because she come beg with little gas. She going to need it. She need the gas or van have a full anything can happen. She may have anything can happen and them have to go. So because she asked for the gas before the hurricane start, she can't scam. She have to ask it. Well, if she wait till the hurricane start now, then me will come out and say, then tell me some of Maxine there Florida for all the years of her life. And Maxine never know. No, to do it. Uno not supposed to do it. Uno not obligated for like her, but me not see nothing wrong with she looking like a gas in the hurricane season. I don't see nothing wrong with looking for like a gas. You need to stop it.